What's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tyler, and on this channel I talk about ways to make money online. Today's video is going to be about how to increase your profit margins on your dropshipping products or your online arbitrage products. Alright, so let's dive into it. So the way you're going to be increasing your profit margins on your products is using cashback sites and discounted gift cards. So the cashback site that I use is TopCashBack, and for my discounted gift cards I use Raise. I will have links in the description for my referral codes if you want to use the same sites as me. If not, you can just do a quick Google search for cashback sites and it should pop up a list of them in the first link, maybe the second one. You can do the same thing with discounted gift cards. Alright, so I am going to walk you through how to use TopCashback because that's what I use. So for an example, we are going to say that we buy products from Walmart. So what you want to do is find Walmart in here in the search bar. Make sure if you're in the US you choose there isn't cashback on Walmart on this site. Not at the moment, but sometimes there is. Let's try Home Depot. Okay, for Home Depot there is a 10% cashback. So what you want to do is whatever category your item is, you just click get cashback. So let's say we're in the luggage department. We're ordering something that's in the luggage department. So what then you would do is you would buy your product. I don't have a product here, this is just an example. So you would do that, you would add your cart and do everything as you would when you're fulfilling an order. So next to that, so that's how you use Home Depot. Once you buy your item, you'll get an email about like you just triggered like a purchase for this supplier. You'll get it from TopCashback, and then they'll keep it pending in your account for a few days. So let's see what it would look like right here. So you would have it would show like how much you paid for your items and stuff, and if you view your dashboard you can see all the stuff that you purchased from your retailer. So that's how you use TopCashback. Next is Raise, which is right here. Alright, so doing the same example, Home Depot. Where the heck is Home Depot? Just type in home. I'm pretty sure there it is. Oh, it's the Home Depot. Yeah, so alright. So using Home Depot as an example, you would type in your supplier, the Home Depot. They are offering 1.3% cashback. So with the Raise, what you can do is you can buy cards in like increments. Some of these people are selling cards for like different amounts. Like if you want to buy one that's $50 or one that's like $20, you can also buy an exact amount by putting it here, and then sometimes you'll earn more cash back for putting the exact amount than you would for just buying it from here. The only thing about this one is that if you put the exact amount, you'll receive credit on their site. You won't receive, like, I guess you would say, money back. You are receiving money back, but you'll have to use their site to get your money back that you get from using an exact amount. So that's all for Raise. What you can do This is the reason why I use TopCashBack and Raise, is that on TopCashBack you can get cashback from buying gift cards from Raise. So like Raise is offering a 2% cashback. You would just normally click it, get cashback now, and then you just type in your supplier and do the normal stuff, and then once you do that, then you put in your supplier again, you would do the same thing, but except after you buy your gift cards, you would go to your supplier site and buy your items with the gift cards that you got. Alright, so now that I showed you how to use the sites, I want to go over your numbers. So this is your normal profit. You sold your item for $100 and you purchased your item for $50. So then your total profit would be $50. Now this is for your increased profit margins. So you sold your product again for $100. You purchased it for $50. You got a cash back on your purchase price, which is 5%, which will give you $2.50 extra, and then you bought a discounted gift card at 5% of $50, which yielded you another $2.50 of extra profit, and now your total profit would be $55. It isn't that much, but imagine you filling out 10 orders. You're making an extra $5 on 10 orders. So 5 times 10 is in like an extra $50 if you use cashback and discounted gift cards. So that is all for this quick video. If you have found any value or learned anything new, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. So that is all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.